Mastering Everyday English, the Art of Washing Windows. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase that you might encounter in everyday conversations: washing the windows. This seemingly simple task is not only about cleaning. It's a window, pun intended, into understanding daily English expressions and the culture behind routine chores. So, let's polish our English skills as we learn about washing the windows together. Washing the windows refers to the process of cleaning the glass panes of windows to remove dirt, dust, smudges, and other marks that accumulate over time. This can involve using water, window cleaner, and a cloth or squeegee to make the windows clear and streak-free. It's a common household chore and is also performed in commercial settings to maintain the appearance and longevity of the windows. In many English-speaking countries, washing the windows is considered a necessary part of home maintenance. It's often done in the spring and fall to welcome the new season with a fresh outlook. Literally. This task is not only about cleanliness but also symbolizes letting in light and clarity into one's home and life. It's a chore that many people take pride in, reflecting the value placed on a clean and inviting living space. When learning about washing the windows, it's helpful to know related phrases that might come up in conversation. For example, spring cleaning. A thorough cleaning of a house or living space, often done in spring, which can include washing the windows. A room with a view describes a space with windows that offer a pleasing view, emphasizing the importance of clean windows to enjoy the scenery. Seeing things clearly, while this can mean understanding something well, it also humorously relates to the literal clarity achieved through washing windows. For those interested in the practical side, here are a few tips for effectively washing windows. 1. Choose a cloudy day. Sun can cause the cleaning solution to dry too quickly, leaving streaks. 2. Use the right tools. A squeegee, microfiber cloth, and a quality window cleaner can make a big difference. 3. Clean inside and out. For the best view, ensure both the interior and exterior panes are cleaned. We hope you've enjoyed this look into washing the windows and how it extends beyond just a cleaning task to reflect cultural values and language nuances. Whether you're mastering English to engage in everyday conversations or to immerse yourself in English-speaking cultures, understanding these everyday phrases enriches your learning journey. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing more insights into the English language in our next video. Keep practicing, and remember, clarity in language leads to clarity in thought.